Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
I'm back.
Herman, when the bellow gets to 50%, can you change over to the engine?
Sure.
Right.
Beware.
5.
So, Hornox's side
3,
seems very far behind
2,
for what I'm seeing, unless
1.
there's a bomb bag that didn't.
We just got it.
Okay.
Blew up.
Alright, that's fine.
Beware.
We're behind on Dak's side.
Calling more security!
No more bombs need to be picked up on Dak.
Beware.
4,
Finish off the
3,
bellow operator. Do not blow up Hornox.
1.
We'll put 2 more bombs in there. Okay. One more than hold. Use that big cooldown over there, guys, if you need to.
Beware.
We dropping it? Yep. Load up.
Beware.
The Fury has broken free! Quick! Get it under control! Warlord, we have it under control!
Beware.
Finish off the... Hey, man.
Might have just hit a couple people with bombs because I'm dumb. Adam, get that fight.
Beware.
There's none. Stacking me up. Bring the slag over.
Still an engineer up, guys.
Range work on him.
Slack blow.
Out. Move out, move out.
Beware.
Back in, work on.
Beware.
Great damage, move up.
Clive.
Beware.
Yo, fire. Out.
Beware.
Move back in if you don't have blast.
Slack
Bomb, move out, move out, move out. Elementals, go.
Beware.
Good job, move up. All in, guys, don't hang out back there, please.
Kill the one on the way.
Beware.
On me, alright, I'm moving close.
Splat.
Move out.
Beware.
Give me Kip.
I fucking died to the fireman. Don't get me.
Slag's gonna blow on melee. Watch out.
Beware.
Great job. Last one. Clean up the ads. Don't worry about pushing them in the first
Beware.
one. Don't worry about pushing them. Kill the ads. Work on ads. Move over. Everybody move over. Come on. Get to the elementalist.
Beware.
Don't hang out there. You need AoE heal.
Interrupt the one on Gore.
Beware.
Drinking. Some security guards down there.
Flag about to blow. Watch out. Move out.
Beware.
Good work on the elementalist. Don't get him the first go. That's
Beware.
give me a trank.
Beware.
Move over here. Get ready.
Down.
Warlord, we
Yeah, don't worry about the stack up, guys. Get over to Hornox and kill those things.
How many reses we got up right now?
Beware.
One. If you get a meltdown, move away. Please.
Beware.
You got a fire call.
Beware.
I want to see all these ads dead, not slack. Before this
Slack.
box.
I'm gonna help.
Get dead.
Hitting.
Beware.
Buffs, please.
We should probably move.
Yep, move up, move up.
Beware.
I panic camped, I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
Beware.
Stand in the group, guys. Don't worry about this.
Give me a pace.
Beware. Beware.
Careful with that swag, that's right in front of the boss, guys. It might blow.
Beware.
Alright, if you get another, put it on deck again.
I'm up.
Why do we have a melt in front of the boss?
Just keep moving, you're fine. Outside if you need it, just ask for
Beware.
it. Slack blood. Move away. Alright, get back behind the box. Got a cooldown that can use.
Put my smoke bomb on tanks.
Taunting.
Beware.
I sacked Hornox since he seems to be chunking.
Move, melt.
Move up.
Beware.
Snip, move that elementalist away. Run away from the group. I don't care what you gotta.
You know.
I got deal.
Melt on your
Melt,
ball.
move.
Beware.
Bubbling to take no damage.
I got
Any cool, roll. Any cooldowns, just
Beware.
good job.
Tozy.
triple fucking vank.
That's what I'm talking about.
To my furnace! Where
Are you shocked?
It's always a vank night. Remember, we had people's off specs and alts get full vank.